Hi friends, today I brought you a product for the air condition gas leakage detection. As you know, everybody faces the problem of gas leakage. That is like CFC and hydrocarbon is the main refrigerant in the refrigeration system. As you know, every air conditioner is having flare nuts and bracings like that. Whenever a welding or brace nut is leaking, the gas will come out. In order to trace out the leakage, we have to pressurize the air, or we have to build a pressure of up to 300 with the nitrogen also. Then we have to put the soap solution in the coils or pipeline. Then only we can check the leakage. But with the help of this leakage sensor, we don't need to pressurize with the air or nitrogen. Just we have to charge 10% of the CFC or hydrocarbon in the air conditioning system, and with the help of this sensor we can find out the leakage easily. As my product, competent products are also available in the market with the cost of 5,000 some odd, but they don't find the digital system of CFC leakage. Whenever this is digital, we can find the minute leak also. If there is a leak for every 60 days, that means like 2 months or 3 months. If there is a proper leakage in that every 3 months and we have to recharge the refrigerant, then there may be a minute leak which cannot be found by the soap solution or with the pressure also. In that case, we can find out the leakage with this digital device. Here you can find the digital device. This is made in India, that is made by me, and this is chargeable by the cell phone charger. Just we have to put the cell phone charger and it can be easily charged. As you know, as you can see the indicator also. This is the charge indicator, and I have mentioned that charging time is 30 minutes only maximum. That means you don't have to charge for more than 30 minutes, and we have to wait for that 10 seconds. We have to wait for 10 seconds for zero calibration. Then why we have to wait for the 10 seconds? This is the sensor, and the sensor needs to be preheated. Then only we can get the results. When we start this product, it will show the wrong results. After 10 seconds, it will be automatically calibrated and it will show the CFC level. As you can see the percentage, that is minus 2.6. Actually the default value is in between -5 and +5. That means why this value comes? Let me tell you that in our air, hydrocarbon is also present in the air. Some of the hydrocarbons like alcohol, that means sanitizer liquids, like that hydrocarbon is present in the air. So that will show the result. Then you have to consider that -5 up to 5 is the normal value, and whenever there is a presence of hydrocarbon or alcohol, it will sense the percentage of alcohol. You can see this is the alcohol based cleaning liquid. Just with the help of this we can check the leakage. Okay, whenever we go for the presence of hydrocarbon or CFC or alcohol, it will show. Just we have to place this device in the coils or in the pipeline. Just whenever there is a leakage, it will show the minute leak also with the help of the digital meter. Our competent products does not have this type of digital display. With the help of digital display, we can easily find out the minute leaks and minute presence of hydrocarbon or CFC or alcohol also. There is a switch behind here, and this is the digital CFC hydrocarbon density sensor. और दोस्तों, मैं हिंदी में भी और एक वीडियो करने की सोचता हूँ. इसमें हिंदी भी मैं बोल सकता हूँ. ये जो CFC HC सेंसर है ना, ये एयर कंडीशन सिस्टम में जो भी लीक्स आता है ना, गैस का लीक आता है, उसके लिए ये ठीक होगा. जब भी माइन्यूट नॉर्मल लीक हो तो इससे इस डिवाइस की हिसाब से आप इजीली चेक कर सकते हैं कितना लीक है, कहाँ लीक है, और उसको फाइंड आउट करके आप ब्रेसिंग या फ्लेयर नट टाइट कर सकते हैं ना। तो इसको आप इजीली परचेज कर सकते हैं मेरे दुकान से। मेरा नाम है रामकृष्णा और मेरा मोबाइल नंबर है 9849222860 and 9848222860. You can contact me for the price of this, and I will send it throughout India with the help of courier. When you are interested, just WhatsApp me on my mobile number 9849222860 and I will tell you the price. मैं मोबाइल पे आप व्हाट्सअप करते ही आपको दाम बता दूंगा, और पूरी इंडिया में मैं DTDC कोरियर के हिसाब से उसको ये भिजवा सकता हूँ। अब अगर आप मुझे जानना चाहता है तो मेरा मोबाइल नंबर है ना, ये जो 9849222860, इसको आप गूगल कर लीजिए। मैं कहाँ रहता हूँ, क्या काम करता हूँ, ये आपको मालूम पड़ जाएगा। गूगल सर्च में जाके मेरा मोबाइल नंबर सर्च कीजिए 9849222860, तो आपको मेरा एड्रेस और पूरा वीडियो आपको मिल जाएगा। और मैं कहाँ रहता हूँ, पैसा भिजवाना नहीं, आपको कोई डाउट है ना तो आप मेरा मोबाइल गूगल में सर्च कीजिए, आपको मैं क्या करता हूँ, क्या कर सकता हूँ, आपको मालूम पड़ जाएगा। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।